Gangster with Attitude B here, aka BZE, and today I'm going to show you how to create custom objects. No, I'm not going to show that. In the last tutorial I showed you that, so we're not going to create new objects, and we're not going to use the 3D Studio Max now. We're just going to import these objects in San Andreas. So how to do this? Go to your server mods deathmatch resources editor folder. Alright, now let's create a folder, create a new folder. Let's say S, of course, and we'll create a new meta file. To create a new meta file, you have to just create a new text document and save it as meta. I mean XML. So I'm going to show you just how to create it. Open the notepad, write something. Alright, save as, and now meta 2, just for example, XML. Alright, so this is how to create a meta file. Alright, after you create your meta file, don't delete it. I'm just going to delete it because I have original. You have to call it meta and create a Lua file to create it. Just new text document and all files and something that Lua. Alright, and we just created a Lua file. We will need these objects, these files. So these are the scripts you need. Just rename this to S and S and S. So oh, you don't see everything. Alright, you now see. So this is the meta file. It's the core of every script, and it loads these things like the custom.lua, the txd, the sdff, and the s.co, and just save it now. You can copy these scripts from the topic in the Multi-Theft Auto forum, so it will be easier for you. And now delete this because we won't use G's, we'll use S's. Alright, and go to the custom, and this is the script for importing these objects. Let's rename it to S, of course. And I'm going to explain you everything now. So this is starting the script. This is a text, and when you start it, it will text something in chat. So I just wrote test. It's not very important. You can delete it, but I've put it just to see if it works. Alright. So this loads the txd file. Alright, and this imports it to objects ID is you see 2052. Alright, and this loads the SDFF and replace it with DFF model 2052. Alright, this is the same thing but with the collision file. Alright, and this, it's very important if you're using a custom object, because the default distance rating, I think it was 200, I'm not sure, but you have to set it to 500 because this is the low distance, and you have to see these objects further as you can. Alright, and now just end and a bracket. Alright, you can copy this script too and just replace the file names. Alright, and this here is the object ID if you didn't remember. Alright, save this. We have these files here, and also I'm going to give a download link for this example so you can use it and just replace your objects with mine. To add more objects is very easy. So you can use one texture, so you can add to this one another image, new image, and you can call it like something. Alright, and use two images in one txd file for two models. Alright, it's very confusing first time you're trying to import objects, but it's very easy. It's very easy. There's another problem. Problem. Sorry for my bad English, but I'm not from England or Australia or the USA, so it's a bit hard for me. Alright, so the first time when you're using this, you notice that the texture is a bit not a bit, it's very light, and you have to add a darkness to it. You can just use the Photoshop and the hue and saturation, and add some darkness, like in this image you can see. Yeah, it's very dark, but in the game it will be lighter. Alright, and this is our script. We don't need to add anything to it now, but how to use it in map? It's very easy, very easy. For example, I have something here. Let's see, this is a map. Let's see, Minecraft or Liver Sanity. Both of them are with script, but let's use this map. This is a map. Alright, alright, so let's add custom and files here. We are not over. We have to copy the things in the meta file, just these, and paste them in the meta file of the map. Alright, and now we are done. In our map we'll have a scripts with custom objects, so you don't need to start this plugin if you have a server. Alright, but let's delete it, and we're going to I'm just going to show you the object if you don't think it's working. Alright, let's pause it and start the MTA. So now we're in the editor, and what we have to do is just type start S, and alright, we're ready. This is our custom object. It's basic, very basic. Let's copy it. Alright, and yes, it's this. Stop S, and I'm going to show you some examples of other objects. Let's start VZ3. Alright, I think, what the f, I think it's not this. Come on. Or I think is it. Yeah, it is. So a lot of sphinxes here. And yes, you see these are custom sphinxes. We have other objects in this plugin I've made. This is a pyramid. Alright, it's custom. See, there is something on the other side, so you can use it. I'm going to put a download link for these objects too, so you can download it and test them. Alright, and stop BZ3 and start Liberty. Or no, start what is it? Start G. Alright, and G is a Minecraft grass block. It's not good textured, as you see. It's very basic. And yes, this is how to make and use custom objects in your maps. You can use the Arizo mapping toolbox to make some shapes with the objects, like loopings, for example. As you see, the Arizo mapping toolbox is working with everything. See, in Geometer Safe, for example. See, alright. Oh, it's not the best result. Let's try another. Generate. Oh, now it works. So as you see, it's pretty cool to use it with the custom objects. And this is everything. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more if you have any questions about custom objects or something in MTA. I'm not a good scripter, so don't ask me about scripts. No, really, I'm not a good scripter. So ask me about anything you have to ask. Anything you didn't understand in this tutorial or anything else. So this is everything, and thanks for watching, and subscribe for more, and oh, come on, bye.